X. Welcome back to my channel. We're doing another episode of Cooking Sundays, and you guys, I'm going to share my recipe. I don't know why I could not stop thinking about these sweet potato fries. When I made them, they were so good. And the way I made them, I'm not going to make them the same way today because I'm going to cut them a little bit differently. But I'm basically going to make my favorite piece of steak and some sweet potato fries. So first thing I'm going to do, I forgot aluminum foil. So I'm just going to spray my cookie sheet here with some ham so that they don't stick. I don't even know if this thing is like non-stick, but I don't want to risk it. And what I'm going to be using is some salt, some pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and for dipping we are going to be using Italian dressing. Okay, so let me cut up the fries into the shape. Yesterday I cut them more like chips. Today I'm going to cut them like actual fries. And yesterday I only heated my oven up until 350 and I left them in for 30 minutes. One side was they were completely cooked, but they weren't crispy. So I think that's why, is because I didn't cook them at a high enough temp. So today's gonna be a little bit different, but I am so excited to eat them again because they were so good. Before I chop it all up, this is the sweet potato I'm using, and the reason why I'm showing you is because there is another one that is lighter and thinner. This is the red one. I don't know what the other one is called, but this is the one that I use. All right, y'all. They are cut up. I did not peel the sweet potato. I also did not cut them in like a specific way. I kind of just made sure they were short. So let me go ahead and add the salt. Can't see my head, I apologize. The pepper, you guys, I seriously was like so blown away at how good these were. So usually I tell you where I got the recipe from. Honestly, I just thought of it myself and went online just to see if there was anything else. And a lot of places kind of gave the same recipe, so I don't know like what to tell you. Did I put garlic already? I don't know, but we'll just add a little bit more and pop them in the oven for, it says 15 minutes. So we're gonna do that. I'm so excited. All right, so now we're gonna marinate the meat. And this is it. This is my favorite cut. I believe I've talked about this before. It is, I believe it's called rib flank. So all I do is add some salt, some pepper, and I know you're supposed to marinate your meat like at least 30 minutes before. I never do. I don't. I'm so bad at that. And then I am going to, so we will. Oh, I forgot to buy butter. God dang it. Come on. Okay. I use butter. I promise when I move in with Cameron, I will use better cooking utensils. And I guess this technically is not butter because I'm using, I can't believe it's not butter. And then I'm only going to cook one piece. The others, I almost dropped it. I'm actually going to leave for next time. Okay, I quickly pulled these out for a second. I'm just gonna poke them a little bit. Let's see if they're done. Nope. Some of these are still, only the back ones, I think, only the thicker ones pretty much done. Okay, I will leave them in a little bit longer. My friend recently made some of these and they burned on her and I felt so bad. So, all right. Usually, here's my meat. I would probably make like a small salad to go with this, but it's just me today. So technically, I guess I'm eating a whole sweet potato and steak, one piece. Are the sweet potato fries with Thousand Island dressing. I'm waiting for my meat to cook, but I don't want these to get cold. These are so good. All right, there it is. That is the meal. Meat is done. If you never tried this, I really love the bones of it. I couldn't wait to eat these sweet potato fries, so half of them are gone already. But anyway, let me know if you like this recipe. Bye! And don't forget to subscribe before you swipe or click me away.